Good morning. All right, I got my reverse, like Steve Jobs, reverse color tech person outfit on. It's all cream, culminating this whole week of wearing kind of like cream colors. I don't know. Let's see. I don't think you ever saw me haul this one. This is from Veronica Beard, these pants. And I had to get them, I think all the pants I wore this week were all tailored because that's just how the world works. But I got these tailored because the price was great, but it wasn't in my size. So I had to get it taken in at the hips and butt. I got the pockets. I think I got the pockets removed because you could see like the print of the pockets. Got the waist taken in and it fits perfectly. I think it's a nice little drop waist. I love this asymmetry thing going on. You saw this turtleneck recently. I just wore it to my last trip to London, I think it was. And it's Free People. And then the blazer I just hauled, and you would have already just seen that one, is from the brand TWP. Got this for like 96% off. Like crazy. And this is the smallest size they have. It's meant to be this big. I know y'all like, whose blazer did you borrow? It's my blazer, and this is the smallest size that they have. I'm trying to turn the brightness down so you can see it just a little bit better. But yeah, this is the one I gushed over the buttons. Let me show that up close. I gushed over these little buttons. But yeah, so that is today. You will see it better on the OOTDs that I post. Let me brighten this up just a little bit there. You'll see it on the OOTDs that I post, but that is pretty much that. Let me come a little closer. You can probably see my face. So there we are. So I wanted to show you my face before I run out of here. I'm actually loving the blot powder that I'm wearing. It's taking away all the shine and kind of just muting all of the blemishes and stuff like that. Like I told you, it's from Laneige. I probably will link it down below in case you're interested. It is not tinted or anything like that. So it's not makeup. It's just taking all of that like skin looking. It just like make your pores disappear. It's the skin-like quality of skin. It just takes it away. It makes it look Hollywood-esque. And of course, this is my Dior Lip Glow oil that I'm absolutely in love with. And yesterday I started brushing my eyebrows upwards and I like it. It looks fuller. I think it looks better. Anyway, let me run. Whew, it's been a long day, y'all. So despite the fact that I pretty much Ubered everywhere I needed to go from building to building, within all of the buildings, I had a lot of walking to do. On average, every day, I would do more walking if I wasn't Ubering everywhere. But on average, every day, I'm doing 22,000 steps. So it was a busy day, and it's just, you know, lovely sightseeing in between all the running, right? Because I'm just kind of seeing all the various different hotels here on this trip. I really wish my foot was better because there's so much more I would have ventured off. There's a big ass party tonight. I'm so nervous that somebody's going to step on my foot. So I just decided to forego going. I mean, the way I would howl if somebody stepped on my toe, y'all. Oh, I do want to show y'all something. So we got at my job, they made us custom Nikes as a gift. Y'all see, I'm a mess over here. This is what I wore today. Y'all saw my outfit of the day. That's what I wore today. But they got us custom Nikes, and let me show you. So they got us Dunks, and they put your initials on the shoes. I don't have this specific colorway of Dunks. I do have a couple pairs of Dunks, but these are super cool. They're navy, so the matte leather with a shiny, which is hard to see, but it's a shiny leather swoosh, and then the initials. So yeah, that's what we got, and I got a whole bunch of other swag and things, nothing that you would be interested in because it's all like work gear. But the party would have been something nice for me to show you, but I just don't trust that I'm going to come out of there intact. I did pick up a snack to eat for a dessert. There's a food court here in the Fountainbleu Hotel, and I stopped at this place called Capone's, and I got a scoop of ice cream, which I'm probably gonna I don't know why I keep doing it to myself. You know what I mean? I know that I'm lactose intolerant, but I keep doing the thing. So anyway, I'm gonna do that, and hopefully I can get up early in the morning. There is a restaurant. It's kind of iconic. It's been open since the 1950s. It is open 24 by 7, has never closed for one day, supposedly, never closed for a day since the 1950s, and open 24 by 7. I don't believe that it wasn't closed at all, especially during the pandemic, but I don't know. I want to go in there just for the like nostalgia factor of it. It's probably a block away from where I am, and I was thinking I'd hop in there for breakfast. My flight is at 2, which means I need to leave here at about noon. So that gives me a few hours to do something, at least breakfast and maybe a couple stores, and then that's about it. I don't know if I told you, I went into the Gucci store to get my nose on a fragrance. It is called, I feel like it's called like a song of a rose, or a song for a rose. And it is lovely. And unfortunately, Gucci sells it for, I feel like over $400, $450 or something like that. Guess who can't pay that much? So I went to the discounters. I went to Joma Shop. The perfume guy had recommended some time ago that it was a deal. It's a Black Friday thing going on. And I wasn't too sure that I wanted to blind buy a bottle of this Gucci fragrance. You know what I mean? And so happened Gucci was in this building, and I was able to sniff it, and the sale had been extended. They were, all these retailers, Black Friday, get it while you can, and then Cyber Monday, get it again, and then they're like, oh, this whole week we're extending it because we love you. It's a lie. So anyway, same with Joma Shop. They extended their sale, so I was able to get it for the price that the perfume guy Sebastian told us that it was. So I'm happy. So I'm excited. That's coming in the mail at some point. Joma Shop takes a while. I told you that. It's not a scam, but it takes a while for you to get your stuff. So I'm gonna leave it right here for the night. We'll see what I get into tomorrow. We'll close out the trip. So thanks for coming along with me so far. Good morning. Last day in Vegas, you all. It's been a long week. Showed self-restraint. Let me see. Am I pointing the right way? Didn't touch a snack. Like, each of these little things are like $16. It's crazy. I passed out last night. Like, legit. I was teetering on the idea of going to that late night party, but it was just, I couldn't. So nervous about my foot, like I said. Passed out in the middle of texting with hubby. And I told myself, okay, I'm just going to close my eyes for a little bit because I still needed to wash my face, brush my teeth, all that stuff. And next thing you know, I woke up. It was like 3, almost 4 o'clock in the morning. So I said, might as well lay it down. So I stayed asleep. Got up at about 7. It's like not 9 something now, but I got up at like 7. Man, when I tell you, this packing was like a game of Tetris. So I don't know if this is gonna close. We got to figure this all out. But both sides are completely full. My backpack is stuffed, so we'll have to see, how this all works out. Hopefully, I don't have to check a bag and pay for anything, but we'll see. I am not doing an OOTD because I'm wearing what I wore to fly in, with just a different top. I'm wearing the turtleneck that I had on yesterday and an overlayer on top of that. I hear it is freezing. It is, I think the high is 16 degrees Fahrenheit in Chicago right now. So my husband mentioned me bringing my coat, scarf, and hat was overkill. And I'm like, but I do got to come back. So when I left, it was fairly chilly, but not as cold as it is right now because it was snowing. And then I did, like, you saw, I don't know if you remember seeing, but you saw I wore boots in, so I'm gonna wear those boots back out, and that's my jacket to my oh, look at the view. Can you see the view from here? Yeah, look at that view. So anyway, I'm nervous about how I'm gonna get that closed, but we'll see if we work it out. I may pop back on one more time, but if not, like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Hopefully you enjoy things like this. Let me know if you enjoy the travel vlogs. I've asked you all a few times, But no one has said yes or no. So I don't know if it's silence means you are in agreement, I should continue, but let me know in the comments down below. Do you like the travel vlogs? I know people like to see me traipsing around Chicago because a lot of people who do watch me are native Chicagoans who have moved away, and it just feels good to see their city. So they love to see me talk about Chicago. But when I'm traveling everywhere else, do you find those interesting? Because again, I'm traveling for work, so it's very limited content that I'm showing of the place that I'm going to. Because for me, it's work. I'm not like, yeah. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
She's just a fashion girl from Chicago. Rocky, just a fashion girl.